Today I'm doing a quick unboxing of some earrings that my husband bought for me a few days ago. This is from APM Monaco. And the box is way bigger than I mean the bag is way bigger than what it is. So, check it out. The bag is really nice. Smells like the store. There's like this perfume. So that's what's inside. My husband said he saw the salesperson spray perfume. I didn't see it, but that's what's inside. There's a little cushion to prop this up, I guess. And fabric. The box is like a paper sweetie thing. It's really nice. It's doesn't look super fine, but it's nice because it's textured, and that's what makes things more expensive. Okay. The pouch could be a little bigger. All right, each earring is on a separate little backing. Ta-da! So the other side is the same. Hello. I think this is from the Meteorites collection, and there's like little stars throughout. And this is, what is it? It's like, so it's, I'm assuming it's like cubic zirconia, kind of rhinestones, and it's like I think it's made up of like a yellow alloy, I'm trying to remember the website, and it's plated in gold. So I bought a pair of earrings from them before, and it's kept up really well, though I've lost one, so I need to deal with that. But yeah, there were stars, starfish, and now these are separate stars, and it's got this kind of like dragon effect, which I really like. So this is what it looks like. Isn't it pretty? Isn't it cool? It's nice against my black hair. But yeah, it has this kind of like Asian-ness. So it almost feels like a dragon silhouette, but it's not. I really like it. Actually, this is the other APM earring I have, and it's a starfish. And I actually had a separate backing, which is kind of like a shell. And this actually came as a single, but I bought two to make it matching. And I've lost one. So yeah, anyways, so this, it'll look the same on the other side. Isn't it pretty? Just thought I'd share that for fun. And I'll link it below if you're interested to find out more. But I think it's really pretty, and I think what I'm doing is starting, like I'm moving more away from costume jewelry and just enjoying jewelry that's not necessarily high-end luxury jewelry at the moment, but just finer pieces that will last longer. And I think I'm heading towards like at least gold-plated jewelry as well. So, because a lot of costume jewelry goes like green. That's it. Let me know what you think. See ya.